Hi everyone, how are you all? This is Lakshman. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share you the top 5 microservices books. These books are useful for Java developers and also who are working as a software architect level position. Now briefly we discuss about what is microservice architecture. Microservices architecture allows the developers to build and maintain applications with ease, and enterprises are rapidly adopting it to build software using Spring Boot as their default framework. Okay, so here is the list. I am going to share the top 5 microservices books. The first one is Hands-on Microservices with Spring Boot and Spring Cloud. With this book, you will learn how to efficiently build and deploy microservices using Spring Boot. This book covers the exciting features such as build reactive microservices using Spring Boot, develop resilient and scalable microservices using Spring Cloud, use OAuth or OIDC and Spring Security to protect public APIs, implement Docker to bridge the gap between development, testing and production, deploy and manage microservices using Kubernetes, and also for improved security, observability and traffic management. Many more topics covered in this book. Okay, the next book is Building Microservices. So this is one of the famous microservice book. So this book was written by Sam Newman. In this book, Sam Newman covered the principles of microservices architecture as well as how to design, deploy, test and observe microservice architecture in length. He also pointed out the potential pitfalls about designing microservices and how to migrate a monolithic application into microservices in an evolutionary way. He also explained such a complex topic in a surprisingly simple way. So this is the must-read book for anyone who wants to be engaged in microservices. Okay, the third book is Microservices Patterns. So in this book, the topics covered the advantages of microservice architecture as well as the disadvantages and the challenge of microservices. For every challenge, he has often offered one or more pattern to solve the problem and their merits, demerits. So this book also summarizes all the patterns used in the microservices world. The fourth one is Spring Microservices in Action. So this book teaches you how to build microservice based applications using Java and Spring platform. You will learn to do microservices design as you build and deploy your first Spring Cloud application. So as a beginner, I recommend you this book, Spring Microservice in Action. So if you are a beginner. So throughout the book, carefully selected real life examples expose microservice based patterns for configuring, routing, scaling and deploying your services. You will see how Spring's intuitive tooling can help augment and refactor existing applications with microservices. The next one is Cloud Native Architecture. This book starts with a quick introduction to cloud native architectures and helping you get up to speed with what cloud native architecture is. You will learn what a cloud adoption framework looks like and even go on to develop cloud native architectures using microservices and serverless computing as design principles. You will then explore the major pillars of cloud native design, including scalability and availability, cost optimization, security, and operational excellence, to build on your knowledge of effectively running and managing cloud environments. In the concluding chapters, you will learn about a variety of public cloud architectures, right from Amazon Web Services and Azure to Google Cloud Platform. So this book almost covered understand the difference between cloud native and the traditional architectures, explore different aspects of migration, including when and why you should migrate, and identify the elements you need to consider when selecting a technology for your architecture, and automate security controls and configuration management, and use infrastructure as a code and CI/CD pipelines to run environments in a sustainable manner, and understand the cloud native application development capabilities of AWS. Okay, so this book is used for software architects who want to design resilient, scalable, and highly available applications that are native to the cloud. Okay, so these are the some famous five best books for microservices and who are working as a software architect and a senior developer positions. So in case if I missed any microservice book, so please give comment in the comment section, then it might be helpful some other person. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying this video. So if you really like this video, please hit the like button and also give comment, and thank you for watching.